Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Autumn has arrived, and what's better way of spending the long dark evenings than crafting? Soon we will start preparing decorations and gifts for Christmas, but for now let's focus on current season and on making our homes look and feel cozy. For today's video I've prepared 3 new DIY autumn decor ideas. As always, I try to keep them easy to make and affordable. That's the whole idea of DIYing and crafting. So with that being said, let's get right into the first project. In my previous video I've made felt leaves wreath. It was a project you liked the most, myself as well. So following the theme and the technique, this time I will make felt leaves garland, as garlands are not only reserved for Christmas. I start with creating the leaf template. Make it as big or as small as you want, or print it if you don't want to draw it. Mine is about 5 centimeters high. For the felt, I chose 3 autumny colors: brown, orange and red. Altogether, I cut out 8 leaves of each color. I put 3 leaves in different colors together. I also try to mix the order of the colors. I fold the end of the felt, put dot of hot glue and squeeze together. When I attach them all together, I try to place the middle one more behind the other ones rather than next to them. Eight sets of leaves are done. Now it's time to create the garland. Between each set of leaves, I will be adding 3 wooden beads, and I will attach it all to the macrame cord. The thickness of this cord is great for those beads. They stay in place without even making the knot on the cord. I think the easiest way to attach the leaves to the cord is by gluing them. I put small amount of hot glue at the back and then stick to the rope. I keep the same gap between each part of the garland. I do it by eye, but you can use a ruler if you prefer. I carry on till I use all the leaves. To create my next autumn decor, I will be using air dry clay. I take a big piece of it and without even kneading it, I start rolling it out flat. This is the leaf I will use for this project. Can you guess what tree it's from? I was actually surprised that this tree grows in UK. The clay piece has to be big enough to fit my leaf on it. I place the leaf on the clay with its back facing down and roll over it. This way the shape of the leaf, like also its veins and all the details, will be copied onto the clay. When the leaf is still on the clay, I take a knife and I cut the line around its shape. I gently remove the leaf and the excess clay. Using damp sponge and my fingers, I smooth the edges down, giving it a better finish. I remove the new leaf from the table and move it inside the bowl. You have to try a few different sizes of the bowls to choose the right one for your leaf. You want the leaf to have some part of it flat, so you will be able to place it straight on the table. Before I leave it to dry, I go along the edges and tap them to give them a more realistic look. For this autumn decor, I've decided to make it look as similar to the real leaf as I can. So I will try to blend the colors and paint it in the way so it looks more realistic. I've also created smaller version of this dish with different type of leaf. Grey autumn decor piece to place on the shelf or the table and use it as a decorative dish. Changing your wall decor for a new season is also a great idea. It brings new and a fresh look to your space. This autumn decoration will be super easy even for someone who doesn't feel confident with paintbrush or pencil. I have A3 size frame and as my canvas I will be using craft paper. The easiest way to cut out the exact shape is to place the back of the frame on the paper and trace the line around it. To make the autumn drawing, I will be using marker pens, white and golden colors. I want to fill my A3 craft paper with really simple pumpkin shapes. I really like this white marker pen. I've been using it before in my projects. It's so much easier to use it instead of the paints and brushes. And the contrast between the pen and craft paper is great. With this drawing, just don't think too much about it. Make the shapes irregular, different sizes and positions. There is no right or wrong way of doing it. And to finish it all off, I make golden stems with the Sharpie. For more DIY autumn decor ideas, check out my other videos from this category. I will leave all the links to them down below. Let me know in the comment section which project from today's video is your favorite, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget about the like button and subscribe to my channel for more ideas. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.